2019 Chevy Malibu 4-cylinder. We got something really special on this one. The catalytic converter is up there. Then we did a resonator delete right there. Followed, you know, the 2 1/4 pipe. Then we did a resonator delete earlier in the year. There. Then it's 2 1/4 intermediate pipe all the way back. And then you guys got to see this. We did something special on it. It's 2 1/4 pipe into a 2 1/4 Y pipe, custom Y pipe, and then quad tips right there. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let's take a picture this way, take a picture this way. I like it. You guys want something custom, you bring it to us. We will make it happen one way or another. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff you guys do. There's the tailpipe we cut off and muffler delete earlier in the year. And we did this instead. Hope you guys like it. Let us know. Chevy Malibu quad tips. Again? It's not that loud. Oh, it's turbo, isn't it? Yeah, turbo 4-cylinder. That's why. Still sounds good though.
Yeah. The cat still needs to come off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put a high flow cat on it. It'll sound really good. So you can keep it legal, you know? He goes, ah. Put it in neutral and try it. See if it does anything. A little bit louder.
The rev limiter is set to 3,000.
Yeah.
So.
What you guys hear on the inside? There it is. It looks cool.